Welcome to National Fleet Assist, your gateway to a world of comprehensive fleet solutions. In the intricate tapestry of corporate fleets, we stand out as your all-encompassing partner, delivering a spectrum of services that redefine efficiency. At National Fleet Assist, we're not just a service provider, we're your fleet's lifeline. From maintenance and repairs that anticipate needs to efficient security solutions, our array of services ensures that your fleet operates seamlessly, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Spanning the nation and beyond, our extensive network of associates ensures that your fleet is supported wherever the road takes you. Our cross-border capabilities mean that distance is never a barrier. We're here to keep your wheels turning, no matter where your business ventures. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to our satisfied clients who've experienced the reliability of our nationwide and cross-border associates. National Fleet Assist is not just a service, it is a commitment to your success. National Fleet Assist, your partner across miles and borders. Elevate your fleet, elevate your business. Contact us today and let's navigate the road to success together.